The Meghalaya Legislative Assembly is the unicameral legislature of the Indian state of Meghalaya. Constituted as a directly elected body in 1972, it has 60 members, filled through direct elections, held every 5 years. Like other Indian states, Meghalaya has a parliamentary system of government. The executive branch of the Meghalaya government is derived from the Legislative Assembly. In independent India, the areas now constituting the state of Meghalaya were part of the state of Assam and represented in the Assam Legislative Assembly. The Indian Parliament passed the Assam Reorganisation Act in 1969, which led to the establishment of an autonomous state of Meghalaya within Assam on 2 April 1970. A legislature of 37 members for the new autonomous state was established, with representatives elected indirectly by the autonomous direct councils. The first sitting of the assembly took place in Tura on 14 April 1970. In 1971, the Indian Parliament passed the Northeastern Areas Act, which converted Meghalaya from an autonomous state within Assam to a full member state of the Indian Union. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.